Hi guys, John Sugden here, licensed Oregon real estate broker in the state of Oregon with the Laura Gelot team with Keller Williams. I'm here today at 921 Mountain River Drive in Lebanon, giving you a sneak preview, virtual open house for those of you that are at home currently looking for a nice house in a nice high demand neighborhood. So I'm going to show you this house and give you an opportunity to view it from the courtesy of your own home. All right, this is 921 Mountain River Drive in Lebanon. Really excited about this house, you guys. This house is in great condition. Nice driveway. You can see the side yard. They've just done an outstanding job of landscaping on this home. This house does sit right next to the Riverview Elementary School, so anybody who has a kid that goes to Riverview, you could walk out your front door and just walk your child to school. That's a very nice feature. Take you guys inside. I mean, from the siding to the front door to the screen door, this house is really nice. Okay, here's the living room. Entry area. Open concept dining room. Kitchen, living room. Nice gas insert. Here's the kitchen. This house has bamboo floors. Here's the master bedroom with French doors going out to the backyard. And very nice master bathroom. Dual vanity. What I like about this house is the paint's all cut in nice. I don't see any deferred maintenance on the floors. From the trim to the paint to everything, this house has been well taken care of. So big walk-in closet. Do a little spin around without showing my client's belongings, but very large closet. Vaulted ceilings in here in the master, as well as back out here in the living room. You got vaulted ceilings. And then here's the laundry room. Nice built-ins. Take you out to the garage. So big garage. Okay. This house is what I like to see. You got the master on one end of the house and the bedrooms on the other end. That way kids can be kids and can make noise and keep it on the other end of the house. So here's the other end of the house. We have a second bedroom This house is in a highly desired area, so especially one that's in this good a quality, it'll go quick. Okay. Right here's the guest bath. You can see everything in here is well taken care of as well. You got fresh paint, nice flooring, nice trim. There's really nothing on this house that stands out and socks you in the face as being not taken care of. So, I mean, this house it really is gorgeous. Look at these bamboo floors. And then here's the third bedroom. Okay. So this house is right by the Riverview Elementary School. It's a 2003, 1,478 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's listed at $315,000. I want to show you the back porch because it's really nice. So you got 2 sets of French doors, one off of the dining room, one out of the master. And here they got a covered patio, a little seating area. It's really kind of nice place to spend your evenings or have coffee in the morning. But check out that landscaping. I mean, everything about this house just looks really nice and clean. They did extra landscaping over here. This is one of the bigger lots in this neighborhood. So a much larger lot. And you can see they made this really nice, easy maintenance area over here just to read a book in the summer or kind of hang out in the sun. You got the school right over there. So like I said, you don't got to walk your kids very far. There's also this concrete slab right here on the outside of the covered patio, which, you know, somebody could put a hot tub right outside your master bedroom. For those of you that didn't see the front when I started this video, here's the front of the house. And again, this is 921 Mountain River Drive, Lebanon, Oregon. If anybody's interested in this house, please feel free to comment on this and one of our agents will get back to you right away. Or call our number at 541-451-2211. Be safe. Have a wonderful day.